All right, welcome to this explainer where we are going to tackle every YouTube creator's absolute worst nightmare. You know the feeling, waking up, grabbing your phone, and seeing that notification that your channel is no longer eligible for monetization. It is literally the moment your stomach completely drops.
You're staring at your screen and immediately the big question hits you, right? What did I do wrong? Listen, I completely acknowledge the panic you might be feeling, but I want to assure you right out of the gate that this sudden loss of revenue is just a symptom. It feels totally catastrophic in the moment, but today we are going to clinically diagnose the exact cause so you can fix it. So take a deep breath. We've got this. Here is our triage plan for today. First, what is demonetization? Second, reused and inauthentic content. Third, copyright and advertiser rules. Fourth, fake traffic and paused accounts. Fifth, how to fix demonetization. And finally, the monetization success formula. Section 1. What is demonetization? Let's dive into this first phase of our diagnosis by making absolutely sure we understand what this notification actually means. Because, believe it or not, a lot of creators completely misunderstand the severity of what YouTube is trying to tell them. Okay, so we need to debunk a massive myth right away. When we compare these two, there's a huge difference. Channel demonetization means YouTube has removed your entire channel's access to the partner program. Your ads, your premium revenue, your channel memberships, the whole shebang. It's a complete halt. But on the flip side, we have a video with limited ads, represented by that infamous yellow icon. The big takeaway here is that a yellow icon on a single video is just a localized issue. It is completely different from a fatal channel-wide demonetization. Your channel's fine. It's really just that specific video that advertisers are a little cautious about. Section 2. Reused and inauthentic content. Now that we've got that cleared up, let's diagnose the first two major suspects that often just kill a channel's revenue stream entirely. There's a massive difference between risky behavior and an actual viable solution. Downloading clips from movies, TV shows, or social media and just kind of slapping them together into a compilation, that's a massive risk. Even if you edit them super tightly, it is a huge red flag for the platform. If you're going to use other people's clips, you absolutely must administer the cure, injecting your own original commentary, providing real educational value, adding your own original narration, and using substantial editing. Essentially, YouTube wants to see your unique creative fingerprint all over that video. This is crucial. In 2025, YouTube updated its rules and terminology to flag what they now call inauthentic content, which is basically what they used to call repetitious content. This means if you're out there churning out 100 identical template videos, like automated text-to-speech audio over Reddit screenshots or generic stock footage, your channel is going to be on life support. To survive this policy, your channel desperately needs an injection of genuine, varied value. You simply cannot automate your way to long-term monetization anymore. You have to provide real original value in every single upload. Section 3. Copyright and advertiser rules. Next up, let's investigate our third and fourth ailments, which revolve around rights ownership and advertiser safety. Honestly, this is where a ton of creators trip up, just by not knowing where the boundaries are. Let's be clear, attempting to monetize videos you flat out don't own is a massive risk. Uploading footage you do not have permission for is a remarkably quick way to crash your channel. If you simply upload someone else's hard work and try to flip that monetization switch, you're violating core policies. Now, it's really important to note that a single copyright claim doesn't always automatically equal complete channel demonetization right on the spot. But if it becomes a pattern, YouTube will absolutely step in.
But what if you actually do own the footage, but it's, well, a little edgy? If you have advertiser-unfriendly content, YouTube doesn't just look at the video itself. They examine this specific list of 5 elements: your title, your thumbnail, the description, your tags, and the actual video content. This is huge. It means shocking titles or wildly inappropriate thumbnails alone can infect your channel's standing. You could literally have a perfectly clean video, but if your thumbnail violates advertiser guidelines just to get a few cheap clicks, your revenue is absolutely going to suffer.
Section 4. Fake traffic and paused accounts. Let's move on to our final diagnostic category, which involves artificial growth and a very common false positive that creators frequently mistake for a permanent ban. Listen, fake engagement is a fatal trap, period. Buying views or using bots to generate invalid advertising traffic can and will result in your earnings being completely withheld. Never, ever try to artificially manufacture views or clicks to treat a slow-growing channel. Building your audience naturally is literally the only healthy way forward.
Invalid traffic will severely and sometimes permanently damage your ability to earn revenue.
Okay, pay super close attention here because I'm about to save you a lot of sleepless nights. Look at the difference between these two statuses. A paused status in your Earn section is often just a technical AdSense glitch, like an inactive or maybe an unlinked AdSense account. It is a false alarm. It's completely different from a true suspended punishment, which means there's a real partner program violation. Always double-check the exact wording in your studio before you hit the panic button.
Section 5. How to fix demonetization. Now that we've successfully identified all the potential ailments, let's step right into the treatment room. We are going to review the exact systematic roadmap to recovery.
Let's see how this builds our concrete cure. If you do get hit, whatever you do not make random panicked changes to your channel. Instead, strictly follow these 4 steps. First, open the YouTube Studio Earn tab to identify the exact disease. Actually read the specific reason they gave you. Second, review the symptoms by doing a full audit of all your channel content. Third, apply the specific fix to that exact problem. And fourth, file your paperwork and appeal if you're eligible and you truly believe they made an error. When you're going through this process, time is absolutely of the essence. You need to keep these critical deadlines in mind. You might have a 7-day pre-suspension appeal window for scheduled suspensions. More generally, you have a 21-day appeal window for standard partner program suspensions. And if your appeal is entirely unsuccessful, you're looking at a 90-day wait time before you can reapply to the program. Mark these dates on your calendar the literal second you get a notification. Section 6. The Monetization Success Formula. To wrap up our clinical assessment in this explainer today, let's establish a foolproof preventative care plan for your channel to ensure you never have to deal with this stress ever again. So remember, don't panic when you get a notification. Just systematically check it against these 6 categories we've talked about to find your true diagnosis. Is it reused content? Is it inauthentic? Is it a copyright issue, advertiser rules, fake engagement, or maybe just a paused account? Knowing these categories inside and out gives you immense power over your channel's future. I want you to think of this equation as your channel's daily vitamin. Original content plus genuine value plus honest traffic plus policy compliance equals the absolute safest foundation for long-term monetization. If you check these 4 boxes on every single video you upload, you are practically immune to permanent demonetization. It's really that simple. So I'll leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to stop panicking, actually fix your channel, and secure your monetization for the long haul? Take a deep breath, use the triage process we covered in this explainer to diagnose exactly what's going on, and get your YouTube business back on track. You absolutely have the tools to do this now. Keep creating that genuine value, and I'll see you in the next explainer.